Sabi nila, happy wife, happy life. But paano magkakaroon ng happy wife kung hungry siya, right? Not to mention, she's craving for something specific. Tara, samahan niyo kami sa aming munting adventure. Me and my wife both love ramen. Siya mismo ang nag-introduce sa akin sa Japanese dish na ito. My very first ramen was in Yoshinoya. Treat niya sa akin yun kaya I can't complain. That's the start of our costly ventures. As time passed and countless bowls of ramen consumed, medyo naging picky ang aming mga palates. Certain taste and criteria should be met para masabing satisfied kami sa ramen. Simple lang naman ang hanap ko sa isang ramen, and usually, ulit-ulit lang naman ako ng ino-order. Basta nasarapan na ako sa kanya, yun na yun. But my wife is a bit adventurous. She wanted to taste something different at inaasar niya ako na hindi nawi ng tama dahil sa paulit-ulit na ino-order ko. Katabi ako ko rito. Chubby Junkie. Chubby Junkie. Pasok, Oyasumi. This is a small ramen shop nestled in San Juan City. Medyo mahirap siyang puntahan unlike those mainstream ramen shops sa mga malls. But for sure, sulit ang effort visiting this shop. What makes Oyasumi stood out for me? First is the taste. The umami lingers sa tongue, not the MSG kind of umami that makes one dizzy after a meal. It is pleasant milky texture of the soup boiled for hours. The collagen from the bones kissing my taste buds is wonderful as it flows down my throat. It is the next best ramen that I have consumed, sunod sa Fukuoka, Japan. On the noodle department, wala namang masyadong masasabi. There is a generic noodle na medyo bitin. I could request for udon or cold noodles at an added cost. But I haven't tried asking the cook kung pwede bang al dente yung noodles, so I can't complain that much. The ingredients is simple, and that's what I like. Meron kasing mga ramen na overkill sa rekado that it ruins the experience. Di mo na maintindihan kung ano ba talaga kinakain mo. But Oyasumi made it simple. Beef yung ieki ramen nila Chashu, marinated egg, and seaweed is enough garnish for me. My only gripes is sana meron silang provided na toasted sesame seed or crushed garlic sa sides.
Miso butter, sir.
Yan, ganyan.
Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you po. Picture ako na ba? Yung lagi na natin tinatry lang.
Ieki. The overall experience was satisfactory. Ngayon nga lang at frustrated si wifey dahil wala yung inaabangan niyang truffle oil ramen. Out of stock daw yung ingredients. Bale, masahin na lang kita pag uwi para di ka na balik. Basta mahalaga, our cravings are satisfied. Until next time, ciao!